Yo, what is good YouTube? Green DT finally back after a long hiatus, and in this video I'm going to be showing you all how to cook up a melodic beat real quick. So first of all, I'm just going to be layering down the melody and then add some drums to it and mix it and then finally call it a beat. And without further ado, let's just get into the video. So I've got my tempo to 150 BPM. I'm going to be opening up FL keys and pretty much start laying off the melody. So let's just start off with some root notes. Let's say A, then go to E and go to an F, and then pretty much extend that. Let me add a fifth. Let's pull it up an octave, and then I'm just going to be following down the notes down the scale. Add an accented note up there, and finally pull the root up an octave, up 2 octaves. Duplicate that with a B, and then finally pull this note up an octave. And this is what we have so far. And then let's just quickly make a melody out of that. So pretty much we have the chords down. Cut this note up right here, trim these, and duplicate that for the whole track. And then let me add some filler notes in the upper octaves. Let me zoom into. Just copy this over, but shift it to a C. Command L, join that, and finally I'm going to be setting my snap to a 6th step and pull this one as inward as possible. Let's say 3 divisions. This one too, and then select everything, Command L again, change my snap back to a cell and extend these notes. Yep. And then duplicate that, and let's add some variations here. First of all, I'm going to be getting rid of this accented note. Let us duplicate the root up 2 octaves, and let's say 3 octaves. Let's get rid of this one, add it here, and let's change this one too. Yep. And finally, let's just chop these notes off for extra rhythm and balance. And pretty much this is the melody that we have so far. Pull it down an octave. Option S and Option R to strum and randomize that and chop the excess. And finally, I'm just going to be opening up FL keys and let's grab the compressed piano preset. Which reminds me to turn off these two. And moving on to the drums, let me add the 808s first. I already did the claps. I'm just going to be following the root notes. And let me shift this note up and maximize the velocities as well. Command L to stretch everything, and let's just vary these up. Adding in the kicks, just copy the 808 pattern. Shift D to shorten these, Option K to transpose everything to the C note. As for the hats, pretty much it's going to be a two-step pattern, but I'm going to be adding in some variations. Pretty much that is it, just copy and paste that. Finally, let me just add an ambient space piano from Omnisphere just to layer the sound. So it's going to be in keyboards and ambient space piano. Copy and paste this, pull it up an octave. And I'm going to be getting rid of these notes and the roots as well. And pretty much this is what we have so far. Command L to send everything to the mixer, and I'm going to be back after mixing this. Alright, so I've got the beat mixed. Let's split everything by channel and open up the playlist. Drag everything to the work region and then duplicate that a couple of times. And let's move on to arranging the whole beat. Let's make this unique for the intro at least. Yeah, and I'm just going to be keeping in these notes. Mute these. Option M. Mute the upper notes as well. and bring in the 808 and the piano. Add in the hats and the claps. Just pretty much loop this region around, add my tag in, create an automation clip for the master volume, get rid of this, also mix in my tag as well. And finally, this is how you'll be making a melodic beat. Basic structure, just one melody, layered it with another sound, added some drums to it, which are pretty simple drums. And this is what the final result sounds like. And again, if this tutorial helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel, and peace out.